ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः। कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भूः मा ते संगोऽस्त्वकर्मणि। योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि संगं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय। सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योः समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते। दूरेण ह्यवरं कर्म बुद्धियोगात् धनञ्जय। बुद्धौ शरणमन्विच्छ कृपणाः फलहेतवः। दूरेण ह्यवरं कर्म बुद्धियोगात् धनञ्जय। बुद्धौ शरणमन्विच्छ कृपणाः फलहेतवः। दूरेण far away, he certainly, avaram inferior, karma reward seeking actions, buddhi yogat from the intellect established in divine knowledge, dhananjaya, O Arjuna, conqueror of wealth, buddhau, in such equanimity of intellect, sharanam, refuge, anvichha, seek, kripanah, wretched, phalahetavaha, those desiring fruits of their actions. बुद्धियुक्तो जहातीह उभे सुकृत दुष्कृते। तस्माद्योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्। बुद्धियुक्तो जहातीह उभे सुकृत दुष्कृते। तस्माद्योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्। buddhiyuktah, one endowed with equanimity of intellect, jahati, get rid of, iha, here, ubhe, both, sukrita, dushkrite, good and bad results, tasmat, therefore, yogaya, to yoga, yujyasva, strive for, yogaha, yoga, karmasu, in all actions, kaushalam, skillfulness. कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्धविनिर्मुक्ताः पदं गच्छन्त्यनामयम् कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्धविनिर्मुक्ताः पदं गच्छन्त्यनामयम् Karmajam, born of actions, buddhiyuktaha, one endowed with equanimity of intellect, he, verily, phalam, results, tyaktva, abandoning, manishinaha, the wise ones, janmabandha, from the bondage of birth and death, vinirmuktaha, liberated, padam, state, gacchanti, they attain, anamayam, devoid of miseries. By performing work for God's sake and surrendering the fruits of his actions to God, man can remain equanimous at all times. Thus, free of attachments, he can overcome suffering caused by the cycles of birth and death and realize God. O Dhananjaya, discard the actions done with the expectation of results. They are certainly inferior to the duties performed with the intellect established in divine knowledge. Seek and take refuge in such equanimity of intellect. Wretched are those who desire the fruits of their actions. Endowed with divine knowledge or equanimity of intellect, one can free oneself here itself both from good and bad results. Therefore, strive for yoga, skillfulness, perfection in all actions is yoga. Being endowed with equanimity of intellect, the wise free themselves from the results born of actions. In this way, being liberated from the bondage of birth and death, they verily attain the state that is devoid of miseries. दूरेण ह्यवरं कर्म बुद्धियोगात् धनञ्जया बुद्धौ शरणमन्विच्छ कृपणाः फलहेतवः दूरेण ह्यवरं कर्म बुद्धियोगात् धनञ्जया बुद्धौ बुद्धौ शरणमन्विच्छ कृपणाः फलहेतवः। बुद्धियुक्तो जहातीह उभे सुकृतदुष्कृते तस्माद्योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्। बुद्धियुक्तो जहातीह उभे सुकृतदुष्कृते तस्माद्योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम्। कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्धविनिर्मुक्ताः पदं गच्छन्त्यनामयम्। कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्धविनिर्मुक्ताः पदं गच्छन्त्यनामयम्।